Привет, друзья! И добро пожаловать на русский со страстью. Russian with passion. Сегодня мы поговорим с вами о твердом знаке. Today we'll talk about the hard sign. There are some things you need to remember about this letter. Firstly, it's not pronounced on its own. Secondly, it usually appears in the middle of a word. It goes after certain prefixes which end in a consonant. And it makes the consonant, which goes before it, hard. However, there is an asterisk here because there are some exceptions. Notice that the following soft vowel is pronounced as it is in the alphabet. So the hard sign appears between the prefix, which ends in a consonant, and a root, which starts with a soft vowel, except for E. Подъезд. If we remove the hard sign, then it will be подъезд. D will be pronounced soft, because ye is a soft vowel, and it turns the previous consonant soft. But not when the hard sign is used. When we use the hard sign, the previous consonant is hard, and the following vowel, soft vowel, is pronounced as it is in the alphabet. The soft vowels are ya, yo, you, I, and ye. And usually they render the previous consonant soft, but not when we use the hard sign, which makes the consonant hard. So these vowels usually go after the hard sign, except for E. Take a look at the word подъезд again. We have the prefix pod, then the hard sign, and then the root, есть. Ye is a soft vowel, but it's pronounced as it is in the alphabet. A, B, V, G, D, E. Usually, the hard sign goes after the following prefixes: v, пред, под, над, из, с, об, сверх, меж, and some others. Подъезд. Съел. Объявление. Объект. Сверхъестественный. Разъединение. Адъютант. Notice that almost in all the words, the consonants at the end of the prefix are hard. Под, с, об, сверх, раз. There's one exception here, адъютант. Ad is a foreign prefix. And in some words, there's a very limited number. The consonant is pronounced soft, like adjutant and конъюнктура. But these words are not common in Russian. And once again, notice that the vowels which go after the hard sign are pronounced as they are in the alphabet. Ye, ya, ю. The hard sign also goes after двух, трёх, and четырёх. They mean double, triple, or 4 times. Двухъярусный, трёхязычный, трёхъярусный, четырёхъярусный. So remember that we use the hard sign in Russian to make the previous consonant hard. And the hard sign is in the middle of the word. It goes after a prefix before the root. Make sure to like this video. I will really appreciate that. See you in my next video. Happy Russian practice. Bye!